So, hey guys, and I'm back with the part 26 of Bowser's Fury. And now today, we will be playing, well actually I don't know what we're playing. What are we playing again? Alright, Bowser's Fury. My cat. He knocked out my cat. Thankfully, I have more where that came from. Guys, let's go get something, guys. Mom, I'm just coming down to get my Amiibo. Okay, we're about to get my Amiibo, guys. Chick-fil-A. Mr. Amiibo. Now, let's use it. Now. Alright. I can't use a ball and climbing. Okay. We're White Cat Mario again. Okay. Now we're invincible. Now we can get the Cat Shine Shards without a care in the world. Okay. I just being silent because I'm just focusing. No, literally, I'm just focusing. So we're close to the point where we have to get 2 cat shines while he's here. Okay, that's fine. Because now Bowser's gone. I got that Cat Shine Shard. That's fine. White Cat Mario's back. Oh. Okay. So we're almost to the point where we're gonna have to get 2 cat shines while Bowser's here. And trust me, I've played it before, it's pretty hard. But that was before I got my Amiibo. On part 1 to 23, actually didn't have an amiibo, but then on part 20, but then on part 24, there it was. Thing that I've desired for such a long time, an amiibo. So remember, guys, there might be one left in Target. Oh, and also there's a Cat Peach one. Okay. If you think I'm cheating, go back to at least 1 minute into the vid, and you'll see that I show you my amiibo. Because it even had the A symbol. So I think I know where one is. I've seen it on a vid before. Vids help. I mean, I'm not taking information. It's just that I need to know where all this stuff is. I'm not copying. That's what you actually have to do to get the Cat Shine Shard. And I missed it last time. So, and now boom, boom. My trusty old amiibo isn't very working. Okay. So if we lose one more time, I'm trying a different challenge. Just because I need a name for this video, because I've already done a Top Magmeow. 5 Cat Shine Shards wouldn't really be a good name. But if we can't find anything else to name this video, I'm just going to have to stick with 5 Cat Shine Shards. You know what? Pretty much in my videos, I'm the only one that does them. You think on my other channel it should be family, like actual family gaming? I mean, this channel is because I do lots of stuff. We're missing one. Guys know where it is? Whatever. Let's see if we can find it. I think to find it, we might have to stay on the one that we were on before. I mean, I don't know where the last Cat Shine Shard is. If I lose one more time, I'm literally going to stop the video and have to call it 5 Cat Shine Shards, even though I didn't get all them. But if you play this game, that is something important. That is something important. If you're having trouble finding all the Cat Shine Shards, that's where the last one is. So I'm gonna have Just search high and low. Okay, so I got that one. Wait, so that's going to be all for today, guys. So bye!